Yeah, indeed. It's already started, Ted. The U.S. consumer spending numbers are in this morning, and it doesn't sound like it's a key signal, but indeed it is, because American consumer spending represents a massive portion of U.S. economic output on a monthly basis. And guess what? Americans weren't spending very much for the month of April. The hope was that the lower price for gasoline would lead to a bit of a spending spree. Instead, they're saving money. When was the last time we've heard that? That has not necessarily been a trend, but it seems to be a new reality for the American consumer. Maybe they learned a little something in the Great Recession. This all follows, of course, the Friday data that we got in that was way below expectations on GDP output for both Canada and the U.S. Of course, here it was about the drop-off in oil that really hammered our economy for the first 3 months. So did the second quarter show any uptrends? That'll be the big question this week. Along with the numbers in already this morning, we've got trade statistics, the May auto sales report. On Friday, the job creation data for May, Canadian and U.S. unemployment statistics, and those are expected to show a little bit of a pickup, and it'll all lead to all sorts of speculation about interest rates. We are off to a positive start to the trading week on North American stocks. In China overnight, the numbers there saw the market jump by 4.7%, best day since January, as the Chinese equity market, which has more than doubled over 12 months, saw more strength today on the bet that there will be more economic stimulus coming from China's central bank. Of course, we're watching oil after a price spike that we saw on Friday at above $60 per barrel for WTI crude. The Western Canada Select price is close to $53 per barrel to start this week. And U.S. supplies down for 5 weeks in a row. Price for oil up for 11 weeks in a row. It could face all sorts of volatility again, though, this week, because we have OPEC set to meet on Friday, and whether or not they cut production, keep steady. Saudi Arabia is pumping a record amount of oil. On top of all that, Ted, we've got the Greek ongoing debt negotiations. They're front and center for a deadline Friday. And speculation going into next week about Apple and its Worldwide Developers Conference. What will Apple announce a week from today? They've sent out media notices. They have something big. Will it be something about the iPhone or the iPod or iTunes or maybe Beats Music? Remember, they bought out Dr. Dre's Beats Music for $3 billion last year. What's going on?
Let the speculation begin.
That's what it's about.
All right. Maybe it's the new Apple phone, Mike. The new Apple phone, right? Yeah, there
again,
you go. I know.
Day late and $1 short on that.
Thanks, Mike. That's our business editor, Mike Eppel, reporting this morning. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.